So day 6, the peas, they're still trying to sprout. That's perfectly normal. One here is actually rooted down. You can see there, just there. First roots down and pushing up. So it's feeling a little bit damp. I'm going to give it a sprinkling of water. I'm not going to be too worried about giving it too much because we're in a centrally heated house at the moment. So I'll give it that there. And then I'm going to keep covering those over with the paper and the thing. And that's fine, it's no problem. Put them back for another few days.